Guys, dito muna ako magda-live kasi ban ako. Hindi naman ban, pero na-restrict ako sa may bukas pa ako pwedeng bukas pa ako pwedeng mag-live sa TikTok. So, dito na lang muna. Kasi naman, nagmotor ako yesterday, tapos nung nandun ako naka-up sa live nila Kurt, so parang, kasi nga daw, nasa motor ako, a dangerous activity daw yun. So, hello. Ano pa daw, ako pwede mag-live doon, like, naiwan ko yung concealer ko, oh my god. Naiwan ko yung concealer ko, pero 12 pa ako pwede. Naiwan ko pa yung concealer ko, ganun. Anyway, samahan niyo na lang ako guys kasi pupunta ako sa mall today to get, I'll get 2 things. I mean, dalawa lang kasi kailangan kong bilhin. So, if makikita nyo mamaya na may pupuntahan ako or may bibilin ako na alam nyo hindi ko naman kailangan, pigilan nyo ako, paalala nyo sa akin, okay? Pila ng tie filter dito. Anyway. Hi Amanda. Anyway guys, so if makikita nyo na meron akong bibilin later na hindi ko kailangan, please pigilan nyo ako kasi I need to save money. I've been splurging so much on coffee and cookies. Paano ko binabalance yung finances ko? Well, I try to not splurge on things that I don't need. But pinakahirap ako is mag-control sa food because I splurge on food so much. As in, like, ang lala ko mag-splurge sa food, guys. So, yun yung problem ko. But I don't splurge on gadgets. Like, for example, yung phone ko ngayon, I'm just using an iPhone 11 and I've been using this phone since, I think, 2020. And then, I've had this phone since 2020 and it was a hand-me-down. So, I think this phone is now 7 years old. Kung kailan na-release yung iPhone 11, so it's that old. But, hindi kasi ako sumasabay sa trends. Like, if I need, I mean, for example, the latest is iPhone 15 or iPhone 16. I try not to buy out of the hype. So, yung phone ko ngayon, it's iPhone 11 and I've been using it for more than 5 years now. Unless it's completely broken, that's the only time na siguro I'll get a new unit. But if ever I get a unit, hindi pa rin yung latest yung bibilin ko because it's not practical. That's one. It's not practical at all. Nag-iba boses? What do you mean? Baka dahil sa IG ako nag-live? May kinalaman ba yun? What do you mean? Iba boses? I didn't do anything. Paano iba? In what way siya iba? In what way iba? In what way siya iba? In what way iba, babe? But andito ka ate kasi restricted ako sa may TikTok. Nakakaloka. Kasi nga, kahapon, nag-join ako sa live nila Lance, tapos, nasa motor ako. Hindi ko naman alam na bawal yun. Hindi naman ako sinabihan ng TikTok. Bigla na lang akong pinagbawalan. Tapos, pero makakapag-live ako later, 12 AM. As anong person, as a QZ. As a QZ ang tao na ito. Hi, Lorraine! Nangyari, wala naman po. Restricted lang ako mag-live sa TikTok. Yun lang naman. Totoo, guys. Babalik naman ako dun. By 12 a.m. later. By 12 a.m. di na ako balik. Hi, Angel! Hi, Madel. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. O, diba, miss nyo na naman ako. Kala nyo naman, sagal ko nawala. Nakaloka ko. Wait lang, guys. 12 a.m. pa kasi matatanggal yung restriction ko. Wait lang. I'll go to... Pupunta ako sa... I'll go to Trinoma. I'll go to Trinoma or SM North. I'll probably go to SM North. Yeah, Trinoma or SM North. Because I need to get few things.